Bieber's recent activity on TikTok has once again drawn attention to her relationship with Selena Gomez, sparking fresh speculation about the true nature of their dynamic. According to a report by People, 48, Hailey liked a TikTok video posted by a user named Courtney, which was critical of Selena and her boyfriend, music producer Benny Blanco. Although Hailey has publicly claimed on multiple occasions that she harbors no ill feelings towards Selena, this action has led fans to question her sincerity. Many believe that her engagement with the video contradicts her previous statements, suggesting that lingering tension still exists between the two women. Given the long history of rumors surrounding their supposed feud, Hailey's social media behavior is being closely watched, and this latest incident has only intensified the ongoing speculation. Fans who have been monitoring their interactions were quick to point out the contradiction between Hailey's words and actions, reigniting discussions about whether there is still unresolved hostility beneath the surface. In response to the controversy, TikTok creator Courtney Presto, who originally posted the video, addressed the backlash she received from Justin and Hailey Bieber's supporters. She claimed that she had been flooded with negative comments after pointing out Hailey's interaction with the post. However, instead of backing down, Courtney doubled down on her stance by sharing additional proof, including screen recordings that showed Hailey had indeed liked the video. She even went as far as saying that she would be willing to take legal action to prove her claims if necessary. On Thursday, she uploaded another video confirming that Hailey had engaged with her post, making it clear that this was not just speculation. While acknowledging that she had been a little shady toward Selena in the video, Courtney argued that Hailey's actions were even more telling. If Hailey truly believed that there was no bad blood between her and Selena, why would she interact with content that was critical of her? This contradiction did not go unnoticed, and many viewers agreed that it raised serious doubts about Hailey's previous claims of mutual respect and peace. The controversy escalated further when Courtney outright accused Hailey of being dishonest about the nature of her relationship with Selena. In her viral post, she stated, "I feel like this is definitive proof that when Hailey Bieber says, 'Oh, it's all love, it's all good, we have absolutely no beef,' she's lying." This bold statement quickly gained traction, with countless fans agreeing that Hailey's repeated social media actions tell a different story than her public declarations. Many pointed out that this is not the first time Hailey has been caught engaging with negative content about Selena, reinforcing the belief that there is still underlying resentment. Some even speculated that Hailey's digital footprint serves as a subtle way of expressing her true feelings without making direct public statements. Given their history, it has become increasingly difficult for fans to accept Hailey's words at face value when her actions seem to suggest the opposite. As a result, many are now questioning whether her past attempts to downplay any issues between them were ever genuine. Despite past efforts to shut down rumors of a feud, the belief that there is unresolved tension between Selena and Hailey remains stronger than ever. Last year, Hailey surprised many when she liked Selena's post announcing her engagement to Benny Blanco, leading some to believe that she was making an effort to move past their differences. However, her recent TikTok activity has completely reversed that perception. Instead of being seen as a gesture of goodwill, her actions are now being interpreted as a sign that their supposed rivalry is far from over. Fans have taken to social media to debate whether Hailey's interactions are intentional or simply careless. But regardless of the motive, the outcome remains the same. Speculation about their relationship continues to dominate conversations online. Countless comments under the viral video pointed out that while both women have publicly dismissed any claims of hostility, their behavior on social media tells a different story. The ongoing drama between Hailey and Selena has once again become a hot topic, with their every move being scrutinized by fans and media alike. Whether intentional or not, Hailey's digital interactions keep dragging her back into the conversation, making it impossible to silence the rumors. Some wonder if either woman will eventually address this latest controversy, but given how frequently similar situations have played out in the past, it seems likely that the cycle of subtle shade and online speculation will continue.